Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the new Gamma AI version 3.0. This update brings a fresh interface, improved speed, and smarter tools for creating beautiful presentations and documents with ease. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app. Log in or sign up using your Google or email account. Once you're in, you'll see the new dashboard that makes navigation faster and more organized. To create a new project, click the plus button and choose what you want to make: a presentation, a document, or a web page. Then describe your topic in a short prompt, and Gamma AI will automatically generate a full layout with slides, visuals, and text suggestions. After your draft appears, you can customize every part of it. Edit the text, change images, apply different color themes, or adjust layouts with just a few clicks. The new version also allows real-time collaboration, so you and your teammates can edit together instantly. When everything looks good, click the Share or Export button to download your file or share a public link. And that's how you use Gamma AI 3.0, an easy and powerful way to create modern, AI-generated presentations in minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides.